Hello everyone, this is me Anwar and this is my new video for you all. This is very important video for those who want to apply through Chinese government scholarship and Wuhan University. So this is the part 2 and the final and third step will also upload very soon. So let's tune with us. So let's start. So finally we received an email. Okay, so you can click in this email and here we can see activation link. So we need to click in this link, so it will activate our account. So after signing in, you can see here instruction for Chinese government scholarship information system. So you can read all these information, okay, if you want, and then you can click in online application. Okay, first we need to edit personal details. Okay, fill these informations. So let me do it first. Okay, so fill all these information as I did. If you have a Chinese name, then you can also write a Chinese name. Then you can personal contact information, and then emergency contact information you can give your relative or someone, and then verify and save. Okay, it's verified and saved. After that, another information, education and employment history. You can fill all these information. Okay, let me do it. Now you can see here education and employment history. You can write the highest education, your current education first. As you can see, master degree, then bachelor degree, and all the information, and then other education which is like senior high school. And after that you can write employment history, and then you can click in verify and save. Okay, it's verified. And now the last step is in this section is other contacts, as I am doing here. So let's do it. So you can see here other contacts, contact in China. You can write anyone, your friend, your relative, or any other currently living in China. You can give information of that person. Okay, and then here is the family member. The first one is spouse, like your wife or husband, then father name and mother name. Okay, then you can click and verify and save. The first section is done. Now let's move to the second section. Okay, now let's move to the second section. You can try, you can click and finish. Okay, now click in input application information. So we are applying for directly university or type B, so you can click and type B. Okay, here we can see we don't have any application, so we want to add a new application, so you can click in a new application. Okay, so here we need a agency number which is mandatory, so you can go to Wuhan University, and this is the agency number of Wuhan University. Control C, copy, and Control V here. Control V. Yes, you can see here Wuhan University and Chinese proficiency. Okay, if you don't have, then you can write poor. Okay, English proficiency, if you have English proficiency, then you can write excellent. Okay, so if you have English proficiency certificate, then you can click in yes. If you have HSK certificate, Chinese language certificate, then you can click in yes, and then you can give all the information. Okay, and you can apply as a doctor degree and preferred teaching language is English or Chinese, then discipline, for which discipline you want to apply, and your major, and the discipline inside the disciplines you have a major, you can write your major and the duration of the major study, and If you ever studied before in China, then you can click in yes and give the information. And if you have ever got on Chinese government scholarship, then you can click yes and you can give the information. And after that, you can click and verify and send and move to supporting documents. Let's go. Now let's upload all supporting documents here. So I will upload all these documents. So here are some instruction while uploading a picture. So the first one is which will be 2-inch. The color should be white background. Okay, the background should be white, and it will be only a JPG file. Okay, and the size of that will be here like 320 multiplied by 240 pixels. Okay, and it's about the size here. You can see here 50 KB and 500 KB between this. Okay, and the file name, actually the picture name should be less than 60 character. You can read this information carefully. Okay, so guys, I uploaded all the mandatory documents. You can see here first one is photo, which have some instruction. You need to read that and upload a picture according to that instruction. Then certificate of highest education, you can upload it as a PDF or Word file. These two kind of files, extension files, are acceptable, all other are not acceptable. So all these kind of uh, documents you need to upload it as a PDF or a Word file. Okay, DOC or DOCX. Okay, so after that, highest education transcript, then study plan or research proposal, as you can see here, then reference one, it's mean recommendation one from your department. So you can upload a picture or you can add a provider, so your referee will respond. You can upload a soft copy of your recommendation, or you can add a provider information. Okay, you can select one. Okay, then you can upload a passport home page, then physical examination record, then paper or articles published or to be published. If you have, then it's good, it's well and good, it will increase your chances. If you don't have, then it's not mandatory. You can see here it's no, it's not mandatory. Okay, and art, example of art, it's for those who are applying for a music or for our art, some kind of fine art or some kind of other measures like related with this is for those. Okay, so this is also not mandatory. And then other supporting documents, you can upload BS degree, BS transcript, and other educational documents, and other achievements, certificates. You can make a one PDF file and then you can upload it. Then Chinese language proficiency, if you have, then you can upload it. And English language proficiency, you can upload a IELTS, GRE, or someone or another one, or you can upload an English proficiency certificate from your university and non-criminal record. And after that, you can click in submit button. So you can see statement of application, China Scholarship Council. Okay, you can read all these information, and then after that you can click and confirm and click and confirm. Okay, then you can click and yes. Now you can see here your application is submitted successfully. You can see application status, it will change according to your application process. If it goes to under review, then it will goes to like under review or in progress, so some kind of like that. Okay, then you can come to online application again, and now you can see here this is the final step, print the application form. You can click this one. As you can see, your application is downloading, so it's downloaded. You can watch your application, this one. You can see here this is your final application. Okay, so we will upload this application form an online application portal of Wuhan University. So that will be the final step of Wuhan University application. Stay tuned with us. Thank you so much. That's enough for today.